Hello, my name is Rayhanul Islam. I have brought a special product for you. Product name, TeamPal Review. Product description. I have discussed the important points that come inside this product below. Build a custom, no-code AI workforce to streamline your business. Minus 96%, $69. Lifetime access. Refundable up to 60 days. Managing teams around the clock is exhausting and slows your growth. Good thing TeamPal can clone your best members into tireless AI agents that handle tasks without any coding. Automate workflows across departments using an extensive agent library, training tools, and integrations. Customize and deploy AI agents to handle business tasks without writing a line of code. Alternative to Copy.ai. Integrations: Google Gemini, GPT-4. Best for marketing agencies, small businesses, virtual assistants. Create a personalized AI workforce from your existing docs, URLs, and business info. Create your workspace. Upload a file or share a product URL to help the AI learn your business model. Fill out simple brand and business info to kick off your custom workspace. Generate agent instructions with AI based on your input and docs. Build your AI workforce. Choose from dozens of pre-built AI agents like marketing managers and project leads. Add custom tasks, skills, and responsibilities for each AI based on your needs. Train agents using your own data to reflect your unique goals, brand, and tone. Collaborate with your team. Enable multi-user workspaces for collaborative AI agent building and testing. Share documents, brand voice, and agent access to relevant team members. Boost productivity and planning across your research, content, and operations. Launch agents anywhere. Deploy public links to agents for internal or external access. Automate support, training, and virtual coaching with custom bots. Embed agents into existing workflows across teams or departments. Meet your AI dream team. Choose from pre-built roles powered by models like GPT-4 and Claude 3. Assign tasks and skills instantly using the configuration builder. Start fast with agents for marketing, design, strategy, and more. Reviews. Great value for its price, but need more frequent update from the team. What I like: relatively cheap LTD for the overall quality of the app. Group chat and auto tool calling function work quite well lots of the time. Simple and clean UI UX. What needs to be improved: frequency of LLM update is quite low and often lag behind a few months. Some frontier models are missing as of right now, like Claude Opus 4.6. Features update or upgrade, whether big or small, quite slow, about once per month only. Team support through email is decent, but I wish there's a community hub where users can share experience. Overall, if you are not an overhyped, always need to be updated with the greatest and latest LLM as well as AI features that shipped daily on the market, and still need the job get done in a good manner, then TeamPal is a good choice. I honestly got some great conversation with the AI agent in group chat mode, where it gave me good ideas for my business strategy and planning. Product link: check my description. Thank you.